Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up something brand new to our channel, and this is the Moon Spell box. So this is not a subscription, but they do come out with a box each month, so you can pick and choose what you want to buy. So each month you get the complete ingredients, literally everything you need to complete a spell. So today we are going to unbox this, and also I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to do the spell together in my little magical space here. So Moon Spell Box, it is, you can find that at moonspellbox.com. I'll link them down below. And this month it is $14.99, but as of next month, they are going up to $19.99 per box. So again, this isn't a subscription, you get it as you feel called to do so. And I peeked and I'm really excited to do today's spell. So let's just unbox it quick and then we will turn it around. There is free shipping for this, by the way. And this was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or any affiliate links or anything like that. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. There is something right on top that will tell you how to do the ritual. So I love the look of this paper. It's like crinkly parchment paper looking. And this is what it looks like. So this is a money spell. And when I opened this up and peeked today, I'm like, okay, perfect. So I like to do money spells, money magic on Thursdays, but Fridays also really great. And this is a Friday when I'm filming and likely posting this as well. Because, well, Thursday is ruled by Jupiter and then Friday is ruled by Venus. So both days are great to work with money intentions, money spells. It says this spell is to bring wealth to yourself. Intentions to open the way for money to flow into your life regularly and with abundance. Yes, please. And I think this is great that this is this month's spell. It's probably very intentional and smart on their part, but it is now officially Capricorn season, and it's a great time to do that, to get motivated with money and goals right now. For sure would be a great day. The new moon was actually this morning to set your intentions. And Capricorn happens to be my second house, which rules money. So I'm like, this is perfect. And I feel like a really powerful time to do this for anyone. But I feel like I'm really excited because maybe there's some extra oomph with my personal birth chart. So the ingredients they provide in here are jade stone, a green candle, a white candle, and then a pentagram necklace, a wooden carving stick, and salt and basil. They literally give you everything you need. And then they go through step by step with the ritual. And then there's a money incantation on here as well. So I'm super excited to do this. You'll see all of the items up close when we're doing the ritual, but I'll show you right now. Ooh, 2 little bags here. Maybe this is to store the stones afterwards. We'll see. These are super cute. I love them. And here is our green candle and our white candle here. They're tea light candles. Oh, I love baby jars, so I can use what's in this jar afterwards. So here's the basil. I just squealed over a baby jar, but seriously, with a little cork on top, these are useful. I love it. Ooh, and here's our stone. We have some jade. I don't have much jade actually. I'm excited. And then here is our necklace here, the pentagram necklace. I'm gonna take it out. I love the blue stones on it. Blue for Capricorn season 2. And it has a lobster clasp. And I love that they provided this little toothpick to carve. Seriously, they gave you everything you need. I'm gonna just show you maybe some options you can add on if you want to, but you definitely don't need to do that. They give you everything, literally. So I am going to turn my phone towards my desk and I'm gonna stand up and do the ritual with you guys. Super excited. All right, you guys, so I have everything out here, and this is something I do myself. You don't have to do this, but I like to use, this is Blue Sage bundle right here, Palo Santo. Just smoke cleanse all of the items in the space I am in before performing a ritual. So I'm just gonna light this quick. I'm just gonna pass all of the items through the smoke. Let's get this baby burning a little bit more. I'm gonna hold it closer to me. Sometimes it just takes a minute to get going. Okay. Sometimes I'll say something like, I cleanse this item, this space. I cleanse it of any negative energy, any energy that is not mine. Let's go for this. Okay. And good to go. So let's see, we're going to go step by step together. Carve the money symbol and the dollar amount you wish to manifest on the green candle with the wooden stick. I think I'm going to put how much money I need for my rent, my bills, and then, you know, living expenses, and then for some fun as well. And then on the white candle, carve your name. Sorry, I'm doing this closer to me. So let's do this one. Money can be a little personal, but I'm pretty open. Right. And then it says, place both the candles on a fire-safe glass or ceramic plate, dish, or platform. We're going to just, well, here, I can grab something fire-safe to show you. Let's see if we have enough room. This might work. One thing I was going to say is something you can add on. This is totally not necessary. You can do everything with this. But I just received this. It's money magnet oil. So I'm going to anoint my candles and my hands and myself for the rest of this ritual. Just a little drop, since these are little tea light candles. You want to not get it on the wick. And again, fire safety is important. I'm glad they stressed that. So I just put a little bit on my finger, and I'm just going to rub it around here I'm going to do it in a clockwise manner to bring abundance towards me. Again, you don't have to do this. And I'm just going to put some on my hands. Okay, so they're both on a fire-safe dish, ceramic plate. I actually got this with a candle from a company, so definitely safe. And then you want to light both candles, and then you place the jade stone on top of the pentagram necklace and place that in between both candles. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, is this enough room? Yes. Okay. I guess the one thing you would need from home is a lighter or matches, but I think most homes have that. Okay. Now, I'm going to anoint this with the oil a little bit too. And then the next step, it says, slowly pour salt and basil on top of the jade stone. Set your intentions on already having the money. So I decided I wanted a bigger ceramic dish to do this. And then do we put it exactly on the pentagram? Okay. Now slowly pour the salt and basil on top of the jade stone. By the power of the moon and positivity, bring now to me wealth and prosperity. Bring forth to me with no harm, so mote it be. By the power of the moon and positivity, bring now to me wealth and prosperity. Bring forth to me with no harm, so mote it be. By the power of the moon and positivity, bring now to me wealth and prosperity. Bring forth to me with no harm, so mote it be. Okay, so I chanted the money incantation 3 times, and now I'm going to allow the candles to burn out completely. And then once completed, I can dispose of the salt and basil, keep the jade stone displayed in my home, or carry it with me and wear the necklace as I like. Let's see what I was doing there. So this is awesome. So typically tea candles take like 3 to 4 hours to burn. So just want to make sure, to kind of watch it when not leave the house when it's burning. Typical recommended candle safety tip there for you. But this is super amazing. I'm super excited about this. So I am going to let this go and then let it be. Let the universe take care of the rest. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, moonspellbox.com. Link it down below if you're interested in one of their boxes. This month's $14.99. The next month it goes up to $19.99, and it's free shipping. And it's not a subscription. So I think it's great. They really give you everything you need, like including the little carver. I'm gonna save this to do that more. Like a lot of times I use like a pen or something. So this is really handy. I think this is great. And I can tell they really curate this well according to, our the astrology currently. And that's amazing. So thank you guys again. I love you so much. Bye.